AVEEROS ERP technology for your business. Skip generic solutions, go for industry-centric software to forge more efficiency and profits. How AVEEROS ERP will help you in streamlining your manufacturing processes. 1. Totally integrated and workflow-based interdepartmental working. 2. Provides complete audit trail for complete transparency. 3. Offers very user-friendly and affordable pricing. AVEEROS ERP provides complete integrated solution and keeps track of all manufacturing operations. Receiving of supplies. Management of raw materials. Supports batch manufacturing. Generates BMR along with batch packaging details. Tracks finished goods and provides complete details of stock movement. System dispatch module ensures logical and efficient coherence with regard to handling and delivery of orders to the customers. AVEEROS also facilitates business operation management by provision of functional components like accounts and finance, customer relationship management, payroll and much more. We are passionate about our clients' success and take pride in how we engage with them. For further details, please visit our website www.aveeros.com.